So dear people of the interwebs, I learned an important lesson today when pruning a wiring harness on an LS1. See, this are all the pinouts from lt1swap.com, and there's this cool little phrase right here on Brendan's website. It says, typical 12-volt connection requires constant battery hot. Well, when you're pruning the harness just based on the pinouts, you end up with all of these little orange wires here. And all those little orange wires and pink wires, they all feed your injectors and your coil packs. Well, it's real easy to prune those out. What you need to know is you've got to supply an external power for those. So, FYI.